Okay, it's my first day at school. Let's go on the elevator. I hope I get some friends. Can you take me down, please? Okay, here we go. I'm nervous. Okay. Here it is. Carriage to Royal Heart. I mean, I could just walk there, but the gate. I can't go through the gate. Maybe I can fly over? No, I don't want to. It's gonna take a long time. Let's just go on the carriage. Oh, okay, I guess we're going. Okay, I guess I'm here. I'm nervous. Oh, diamond. I like diamond. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna go get a dorm. Let's go. I miss Charlie. She was a really, really nice twin, but I guess she's really creepy. Okay, I'm gonna go to breakfast. Oh my god. But I guess she's not my twin anymore. So, yeah. Okay, let's go to breakfast. Pancakes and sausage. Orange juice. Oh, Camille. Like me, I guess. That doesn't matter. It's probably I'm just like seeing stuff. I'm just gonna sit right over here because this is like a two-person thing, but I don't have any friends and nobody will go here, so yeah. Okay, I'm done. I'm just gonna sit here to see if anybody's gonna come. To see if anybody wants to be friends with me. Let's just wait and wait forever. Hi. Well, you look exactly the same. I mean, we do. Um, you're old? Um, I only have a twin named Charlie. Yeah, I don't know where she is. Maybe we like got separated or something. Oh my god, look at those lips. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Probably like okay, this person's a little creepy. Probably they like didn't want us to like be together, so we just like so they separated us, like our parents. Anyways, I'm gonna go to chemistry. Okay, I don't have. Oh no, I forgot my book. I don't even have a locker. Okay, I have to just pretend I have my book. I have. Oh gosh, I guess I can still do it. No, I'm so bad at chemistry. I'm just gonna pretend I'm still doing it. Da 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 da. Okay, I guess it's over. Cause like, I'm bad at this. Let's see if Camille is still here. Oh, no, she's not. Let's look if she has a dorm. Oh, that's my dorm. Oh yeah, I'm gonna unget this. No. Maybe she was. Oh, there's the person that was like staring at us. Maybe she's still at chemistry. Probably not. I don't think she even went to chemistry. Okay, I guess I'll have to just find her somehow. Okay, I guess I'll just go up the elevator, maybe. Where is the elevator? Oh, I don't need to go to English right now. Trying to look for her. Oh, there it is. Oh, hi again. All of these are taken. Maybe we should go to like the bottom one. I feel like I can read her mind because like I feel like I heard her say, well, that's what I feel like I heard her say, I kind of want to share a dorm with her. And I don't really know if I was just dreaming that she said that or like I was just acting weird to her. I don't know. I don't have any homework to do. Okay, let's see. Can we open this? Okay, I guess we can't. I'm just gonna go do my piano. Nope. Okay, now I think we have to go to baking. Okay, I have to get a locker. Oh, oh my god, this is so bright. I can't even see it. Okay, here we go. Much better. Oh, hurry, hurry, hurry. Gotta get my recipe book. Go. Hey, Phew. Oh, Camille. Oh, I like her hair right now. I think I'm gonna go. Hey, Camille. I like your hair. Oh, and your earrings. Um, bye. I gotta go bake. Okay. Okay, I guess we'll just god, okay. It just got dark randomly. Blue. Blue is my favorite color because it's pretty dark. Also a little bit of purple, like really dark purple, and also black. And maybe white too, because like black and white look cool together. Blue, blue. So I think I should give her a cupcake. Of course, I'm gonna give you a cupcake too. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna give you another too. Ah, okay, I can't give you. I'm gonna actually go to the bathroom. Okay, guys, I actually really like her and I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should just stop going to the school because it's awkward to have a twin while you're going to school. And I'm skipping gym class because he said I needed to go to the bathroom and she won't believe me after this. So let's go to our room. Where is it? Okay, I think it's reception. Okay, let's just, okay, I have an idea actually. Okay, do I look like her? I don't know if this hair is like it, but, let's go look. Where is, oh, she's probably at him. Okay, we got it. Where is Jim? Where is Jim? I'm stuck. Let's see. Okay, I guess this is Jim. Okay, lunch. Nom nom. Oh, it's done. No, that wasn't the same hair, I think. Okay, let's, I'm going to eat a cupcake for lunch. Okay, that actually is a really good idea. So I'm gonna eat her cupcake. Mmm, so good. Oh. Oh, we both got the same cupcake. Yeah, it's really, really sweet. Now I'm gonna have my cupcake. No. Yeah, I wouldn't be that. Yeah.